Welcome to the Hot Millennial Kitchen, where your hot chocolate desire is fulfilled. Today's Vlogmas is a yummy recipe. How to make boozy hot chocolate for a cozy Christmas movie night. Do like Christmas Day. Do like Christmas Day, baby. Do like Christmas Day. If embarrassed was a person, it's me right now. Like, that intro took everything out of me to make it. I don't know how many takes I did before that one. So yeah, we are at the end of Vlogmas. Christmas is this weekend. Christmas is this weekend. I'm excited, I'm grateful. This was a challenge, so I have to laugh at myself. I have to make it fun. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all liked it. Let me know how you like that intro, because your girl worked hard. My acting skills came in handy. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. My name is Mission. If you are new here, I focus on fashion and lifestyle. And today's Vlogmas is nothing fashion related, it's lifestyle. It's Christmas, so you know, we are home, cozying, watching movies, and I thought I'll show you guys how to make a nice, yummy hot chocolate with a twist to it, with some booze in it, some rum. It's for adults only, so please, must be 21. So yeah, guys, it's a quick recipe, but fun and yummy. You will hear yummy a lot. Now, before I go and start showing you what I'm using, I want to say that you can use any type of hot chocolate, you can use any type of liquor. It is up to you. You can use any type of milk, any type of anything. I'm showing you what I use, what I like. So guys, without talking too much, let's get into the making of the boozy hot chocolate. I'm going to have to come closer to the camera because if I bring it closer, I think my head will be cut off. I want to start by showing you what I'm using. I'm using this hot chocolate bomb. I got it from Target. It's just dark chocolate, hot chocolate drink bomb. That's what, oh, milk chocolate filled with marshmallow. Yeah. So this is what we're using. And as far as my liquor, I'm using some Cointreau. If you know, you know. I'm using Cointreau. And whipped cream, this is the brand I'm using. I'm using almond milk because I don't do dairy, well, besides cheese. We are also going to use some cinnamon, some Hershey's syrup, and some marshmallow for that extra marshmallow. We love everything extra. It's, you know, it's the holidays. I like my hot chocolate thick and nasty, like it's just so bad, not healthy but good, you know, every once in a while, not all the time, because it's not healthy for you. So what we want to do is, by having our burner on, I'm going to have it on low to medium because you want to warm your milk gradually. I'm using the mug because this recipe is only one serving. I don't need to use a lot of milk, and there's no point of using a measuring cup because I'm gonna use this. So yeah, 1 cup of milk, and so pour into my pot. Guys, remember, when you're using regular milk, you need to make sure that the burner is not really hot because the milk gets thick. It's just a nasty look and I don't like it at all. So almond milk is better than regular milk, but still you need to make sure it doesn't get thick or it doesn't warm up too quick. I'm using my whisk so I can stir the milk so it won't get thick. I will do this for about 2 minutes, and when the milk starts giving some bubble, I know it's actually hot. So the milk is pretty warm, so the next step is add the warm in your milk. So what you need to do is go ahead and measure your alcohol, your whatever you're using, into a shot. So this is just one shot. Remember, it's up to you. You can use half a shot, you can use a whole shot. I use a whole shot. It's just up to you, like how strong you want your hot chocolate to be. Hot chocolate is meant to be sipped. It's not something you're going to drink like water. So even if you use one shot, you're going to take time to drink it, which will be easy on you. You won't really feel the alcohol. Make sure you stir it. You keep stirring. You stir. So my milk is ready. What I need to do is pour it in my cup, in my mug, should I say. Like so. I should have just poured it all like down here because I need space for the rest of the ingredients. Keep in mind, your milk might change the color depending on the color of your liquor. Mine is clear, so it did not change much, but if it was brown, it would have added some color to the milk. As soon as the milk is in your mug, you can go ahead and add your chocolate, your hot chocolate. I'm going to add my chocolate bomb. It has marshmallow in it, like so. This particular one, you need to stir it, so I need to get a spoon and stir it so it can give me that thickness and the taste that I'm looking for. So I'll stir it. I know it doesn't look pretty right now, but it's gonna be better. Okay, now the bomb has dissolved. The marshmallows are out. They are not mashed. That's why I need to add my own marshmallow so it can just be all yummy. Can you guys see the hot chocolate under there? This is what it's looking like as of right now. So I'm going to add more marshmallows in my hot chocolate because I want mine to be nasty, full of marshmallow. Nasty in the good way. You know when something just, it's nasty, it's not good for your health, but it's good in your mouth? Yeah. So my hot chocolate, it's warm, but it's not hot to where it's burning hot. The marshmallow will take time to dissolve, which is good because I'm going to take my time sipping my hot chocolate. It's already dissolving. Once your hot chocolate is ready, you already have your marshmallows inside and they are melting. It's time for the whipped cream. So this is what I do. Oh, I cannot press it. Ooh. So I'm going to put up the whipped cream away and the alcohol because I don't need it anymore. So the next step after the whipped cream is your cinnamon. You just want to sprinkle on top just a little bit. Once you have your cinnamon on top, it's time for the syrup. You can use any syrup of your liking. I went with Hershey's just because I like it. And this is what you want to do. Oh, little, don't do too much like I just did, you see? Woo! It's so sad. But yes, guys. And cheers. It looks yummy. It does look yummy and it also tastes yummy. Remember, the taste will be different depending on what you're using. Milk, alcohol, it just depends. But this one is super yummy. I'm excited. Cheers, guys. Happy holidays. I hope you guys had fun watching this recipe and I hope you're fed and inspired. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comments, let me know what you like about it. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you as always. We are almost at the end of Vlogmas. Stay safe. I will see you next time. Bye.